Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today is part of a collab I'm doing, a couponer's guide to gifting. Gina Schweppe reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to join in with this collab, and of course I said yes because I just love Gina. So on Sundays, Gina's going to be posting a video. Then on Mondays, Shop with Sarah posts a video. Then on Tuesdays, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson posts a video. Wednesday will be my videos, and then Thursdays, Nick from Ohio Valley Couponer post videos. And then on Friday and Saturday, we have guest spots. So I'm going to link the playlist in the description box below. I'm also going to link the YouTube channels for the Sunday through Thursday video posters in the description box below. So go over and check out their channel, and be sure and check out the playlist of all the videos everybody's posted. We'll be posting a video each day now until Christmas Eve, and today's my first video. So my gift idea this week is for the pet lover, you know, the person who has the dog or the cat, that you love going to their house, but every time you do, you sit down on their couch and you stand up and it looks like you grew fur out your rear. I've got the perfect gift to give them. And I don't think any pet lover or owner would be offended by this, because if you have a pet, you know you have fur everywhere. Like with me, I have two dogs, Chloe and Callie. Chloe is a Chesapeake Bay Retriever, Callie is a Black Lab, and they both shed like crazy. I have a dark brown couch, but you can still see their hair all over it, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of me using the product in just a minute. But about once a week, I have to pull out my vacuum cleaner and all the attachments to get all the hair off the couch, because it can form a little layer. So this thing I bought has been a lifesaver. Let me introduce to you the Chomcham Roller. If you own a pet, you need one of these. I have tried every pet hair removal brush there is. Nothing works like this. So you just open the package, it's ready to go. On the back, you're going to see this velvety thing and this little brush that just moves like this. Now when you're using it, it's going to sound like this. It's loud, but it works. So I guess there's like static that creates with this, and this brush here helps push the hair into this pocket back here, and I'm going to show you all that in just a minute. So the Chomcham Roller, you can get it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. If you want to get one, use the link below. It really helps me out. I get a little kickback from it if you do. Let me show you how this works. Okay, here's my couch. Don't judge me at all. Look at all the hair. It's like a suede material. So I'm just going to take the Chomcham and I'm going to roll right over the couch really fast. It's going to make a lot of noise. See how that clicking sound? That's what it's supposed to do. And you just go over it. And then you can see, here's a close-up, the hair is gone. I'm going to do these cushions down here. See? This one's not as bad, but still pretty bad. Just roll it over it really fast. And there you have it. You're also going to see like some little sparkly things. That is sand, I think, from my yard. Okay, so that very little bit I used it. If you kick it open here, just hit this button. Look at that. Then you just reach in there and pull it out. It has instructions here on the back that you can see. It's no adhesive or sticky tape, 100% reusable, no power source, and eco-friendly. We sometimes use those sticky roller pads, but like you can go through 100 of those in no time. So this is great. It's really soft. And like I said, it's loud. If you're not being loud with it, you're not doing it right, because when you roll it back and forth, as you heard when I did on my couch, it's going to make that noise. So for any pet owner, this is a must-have. Especially if, like, say you have company coming over, just grab it real quick and clean up the couch so they can sit down and you don't feel like guilty that they're covered in fur when they stand up. I wear black leggings all the time. I have even used it on my leggings. It works. It works really well. I highly recommend this. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I've bought the brushes that are made of just this, but it doesn't have the like roller part of it, and it doesn't really work well. Like they don't pick up. They may stick to it a little bit, but this little brush here helps push everything into the tray, and just moving it back and forth on the brush, I have more hair in there, see? I also have several other pet items I would recommend for people, but I'm in the middle of a move, so I can't really show you all of the things we use. I can pop some pictures up on the screen here of things that you could also get for pet owners. Another thing I highly recommend for pets is a filtered water bowl. It keeps the water clean because, you know, like when dogs get a drink, they slobber everywhere. Well, it keeps the water clean, it filters it, and it kind of keeps it cool for them, which is nice, so they're not drinking room temperature water. Another gift idea you could get a pet owner is a doggie door that you install on a sliding glass door. So if you have somebody who has a sliding glass door, you literally just install it and put some screws in, and there you go. We have one of these. I 10 out of 10 recommend this as well if you have a fenced-in yard that you can lead out to. And another thing I highly recommend for a pet owner that you could get them for Christmas is a dog cot. Those are my gift ideas for pet owners. It's so hard to buy for people who have everything. So if you know someone who's a pet owner, these are great gift ideas to give to one of them. It's kind of a gift for them and for their pet. Like the Chomcham Roller is definitely a gift for them because anybody who owns a dog or a cat will thank you if they don't already have this. And then the other ones are really things that we use for our pets, but if you're a pet owner, getting up, letting your dog in and out every 5 minutes because you don't want him to mess in the house, so a doggie door is great. So those are just my ideas you could get for a pet owner. Be sure and check back next Wednesday to see what my next gift idea is. The next one's going to be for that person on the go. We all know that person. Tomorrow, Nick will be posting his video over on Ohio Valley Couponers. Check out his video. Be sure and check out the playlist down below. If you're not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell. Turn the notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, if you have a gift idea for a pet owner that I did not list, please go ahead and tell me because I'm a pet owner. I may want to get it myself. Don't forget to go over and subscribe to Gina Schweppe, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson, Shop with Sarah, and Nick from Ohio Valley Couponer. These are people you definitely want to follow. They are excellent at helping you save money. Be sure to check back on Friday for our Dollar General all digital 5 off 25 scenarios. Alright guys, thanks for checking in, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.